YouTube, it's me Jen, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making scrunchies. I'm obsessed with scrunchies. I have a lot of hair and they really work fantastically well for me. So I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me in the comments what other videos would you like to see, and I will see you next time. Let's go and watch the video. You're going to be amazed on how easy these are to make. It really only took like 5 minutes, and the more you practice, the easier it gets. You're going to cut out a rectangle of 6 by 18 centimeters, and we're going to secure it using pins. Now we're just going to cut it out, leaving a little space from the sides of our template. I'm not very good at cutting, so just avoid looking at my terrible lines, and they're not straight at all. But don't worry, they're going to be in the inside, so we're not going to see it. Once it's ready, we're going to remove the pins and we're going to fold it the inside out. As you can see in the video, we're going to put pins against to secure it, and we're going to sew it. I'm using a sewing machine, but you can use just a needle and thread or even a hot glue gun. It depends on you. We're also going to need elastic band, so the way we're going to measure it is just to put it around our wrist. We're going to cut it out. Just make sure that it feels comfortable on your wrist, but it also is small enough to secure your ponytail or your bun. Now we are just going to flip outside the outside of the fabric using our fingers. I just like to put my finger inside and then little by little take it outside, as you can see in the video. This takes a little bit of time, but it's not difficult at all, I promise. Using a paper clip, I'm going to put the elastic inside of the fabric, as you can see in the video. And now we're just going to sew both ends together. I'm using the sewing machine again. Now we're just going to remove all of the threads that are just not useful and not nice there. And we're going to tackle both ends together and sew them, and I'm using needle and thread. And that's pretty much it. Once you finish sewing, you just have to cut out the thread, put it on your wrist, and enjoy your amazing scrunchie. I hope that you like this video. I really love scrunchies. I have like an obsession. Tell me in the comments if you like these type of videos where I show you how to make hair accessories I have lots of ideas. Leave me a heart, leave me a comment, give me a like, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you.